Hey guys, this is Fire Alarm 9200 here, and today I'm going to be doing a demonstration of one of my older panels that you guys have definitely not seen in a long time. So back when I was uploading Fire Alarm videos on my other channel, which is now my main channel, Levi the Foxy, if you have to go way back and you'll find one of my old system tests is that I was using this panel in like two of the tests, like system test 5 and system test 6. And that panel just disappeared. Well, finally made a comeback, and this panel was actually broken for a while, and I just got it fixed. I guess got new relays connected up to it, and there you go. It's a SLYFOX 8008. I never really had a real brand name at the time this was made, so I'm just calling it SLYFOX for now. So, SLYFOX Alarm 8008. Now, any other SLYFOX alarm panel that that's not this or the 8006, which is over there, they will not be in the 8000 series anymore. Well, there will be an 8 in it, but a lot of people do that because, you know, of new age server alarms panels, and I don't want to do that anymore, you know. But so I'm just gonna be coming up with my own names. So for the full station, I have a Simplex 4250-120. And I have this wire here to make it look like it's actually wired in. Yep. There you go. And for the horn, I have my Wheelock 31T115. I don't have the 12-volt well, actually, I know where it is. I don't know where it is right now, so I'm just using the 120-volt power version right now. So everything's looking good. Had to connect the keypad back up again. So, and you guys remember how I got this panel to work? Use one of these. Yep, I should not have done that, but here we go. And I have my keys like right here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's loud. And I'll just do drill mode really fast. And so now, where are my keys? I'm gonna go ahead and reset the pole. This panel hasn't been used for probably a few years now. It's actually been that long since I actually did anything with it. So, and yeah, the buzzer does sound kind of weird. And I'll do a walk test. Yeah, don't judge me. A lot of people did this back in the day. Actually, most people did, and I just broke the... Yeah, break it right when you get it. So now I'm just going to key operate the pull station. Yep. And now go ahead and reset. There we go. There's the SLYFOX Alarm 8008. And I will be doing something with this panel soon, so stay tuned for that. So, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and have a great day.